Hi everyone, I'm back. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get more information about my videos. Hi guys, I'm Enal and I'm into skin treatments and advanced treatments and plus chemical peels. So I keep on more research on these serums and everything. So I'm going to talk about niacinamide serum today. Niacinamide, how to use niacinamide serum, what it contains and what are the benefits of it. So niacinamide serum, it is basically vitamin B3 contains, and plus it's got high strength of vitamin and minerals and blemish formula, sebum regulate and minimize pores, and vitamin B3. So, and these are the contents, and I think I am now called for the Dermaco niacinamide, and it's got 10% niacinamide in it, and it's really helpful. So you can also call for it. It's really good one. Recommendation is the Dermaco niacinamide. Okay, it is called nicotinamide also. And how to apply on the skin. First, you have to cleanse your skin thoroughly. You can cleanse it with a cleanser or face wash it properly. And next, you can use a toner which has got balance. pH balance is good, like it's alcohol free, so you can use that toner. And basically, if you don't use the toner also, it's okay, but you have to cleanse your skin thoroughly. And you can after cleansing your skin, you can rub ice on your skin and then use niacinamide on your serum on your face, so that the serum will go inside your skin. So this way you can use it, and after that you can use that hydrating moisturizer on your skin. And you can use it in the daytime also, you can use it at the night time also, however you feel comfortable. But please don't mix with another serum, like you cannot mix with vitamin C serum. If you use niacinamide serum a day, please give it a gap of 2 days or so for the vitamin C serum. These niacinamide serum is really good, it's really helpful. It reduces the redness of the skin, and it is a skin barrier repair. It reduces the pigmentation, and it helps to reduce acne, oiliness of the skin, and minimizes the pores of the skin, and the clogged pores also it clears. It helps in rosacea also, and it produces gives collagen production to your skin. It gives a glow to your skin. It's good for pigmentation, brightness, and it really helps. And how you get with what you eat, vitamin B3. Like if you eat eggs, cereals, or beans, so you consume that. In that you have this vitamin B3. So, but if you apply tropically, I have showed you how to apply this, and plus I've told you the benefits also, and I've mostly given the contents also, and I've told you which to use also. The Dermaco niacinamide has got 10% niacinamide in it, so it's really good one. So you can call for it and use that. Thank you so much for viewing my channel and watching this. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and press the icon bell, so that every time you can watch my videos. Thank you so much.